Hey everybody, it's Renee from Tailspin Farm, and I am hopping on today. It is the first official video of 2021. I did post one this week, but it was filmed at the end of last year. So I thought I would start out with something I haven't done in a while. I used to do these more, and I kind of got out of it, and I'll explain why. But I'm going to do an unboxing today, and if you hear pitter patters, that's my dog. She has to be near me at all times, so hopefully she'll just lay there. What we're going to do today is an unboxing. I am a Yarn Yay subscriber. This one is done by Vicki Howell, and I recognize her from, I think, a PBS she used to do a knitting crochet show many years ago that I remember seeing her on that. And so this is one subscription that I have kept up with, kind of, sort of. I have tried other ones. The reason I like this one right now is, and the reason you haven't seen an unboxing in a while, is that I get overloaded with projects sometimes, and when I can't get caught up or just have a lot going on, I like the ability I have with this one that I can pause my subscription. So I don't have to wipe it out totally. I can go in, which I did. I think the last one of these I got was beginning of summer. And what I did was I went in and clicked off all the months that I did not want to receive. So I didn't receive most of last year, just because of the way things have been and crazy stuff going on. I just did not have the time for anything else. And so I've had this on pause. So this is my first one that I've gotten. And this is I already opened it. I peeked, I didn't pull everything out. I want to say this is the January box. Yes, it is. And so these are monthly. They are $41 a month, and I'll show you what you get in. All the boxes come with similar type stuff, so you're not just getting yarn or patterns. And that's another reason why I like hers too. You can do knit or crochet with both. In the booklet that I'll show you here in a second, there is either or for projects. So they are $41 a month. You do get subscriber rewards. I just got one, and it was 5% off my next order through them. Not for the box, but they also sell other products. They sell yarn, they sell hooks and needles and notions. You can go in there and order through them. So I just got that subscriber reward, and that was, like I said, 5% off for my reward. I do have a link that I'll put in the bottom of the video notes here that you can get 10% off your first box. So without further ado, let's jump in. And again, the teal boxes are the same every month, and I think size does change depending on what she's sending. You always get your pattern booklet. So this month is a buttoned cowl, and like I said, there is the knit pattern, and then there is also, I don't want to show too much here, there is also the crochet pattern. And I do believe, yeah, different people, Vicki Howell did the knit one, and then Robin Chachula, I slaughtered that name, but she did the crochet pattern. And so both of them are done with the same yarns, the same yarn that you get. So it's just the variation between knit and crochet. So you get your pattern book in them. You get, ooh, this is squishy. You get the yarn, which is, I should have looked these names up before I did this. So Wano Tweed. There's a reason I did not do well in Spanish class in high school. By Heiko. And this is a beautiful yarn. I love this color. This is a 69% superwash merino wool, 16% bamboo, and 15% Dongle Viscose. It's 255 yards, 100 grams. So this will make either or of these. So that's the basics that you get in every single box, is the yarn and the pattern. Now I have ordered these before where I've also ordered the extra hooks or needles, whatever. They sometimes have sales on those things too. So I have done that and gotten that in my box. I did not do that this time. I also got, they sent me the buttons for the button down cowl. So if there's any notions or anything that needs to go here, you get those sent to you. This, I believe, and in this booklet here, they tell you, the front page tells you everything you got in your box. So this is cuticle oil by Black Dahlia lacquer. So I will use this. I haven't even opened it yet. It's a mother-daughter owned business based in Austin, Texas. So it is, and it's just a little roller ball. Oh, that smells yummy. So I will definitely be using this right now because here in pure Michigan, we are cold, cold, cold. I think the polar vortex finally hit us. So you get you always get some extra stuff with this. And it is typically small business owned products that you're getting in here, which is this oil this time. And then you get, you can never have too many bags, a Yarn-Yay New Year 2021 little tote for projects. Yay. And I believe, let me check in the booklet real quick to be sure. Yep, this is through Yarn-Yay did this. So they did the little tote bags. So that is my box for this month. And I will probably be jumping into this project here. I've got a couple more things I'm working on to finish off. But I am going to work on the crocheted version of this. And hopefully that will be either a finished object or a whip coming up in the next video or two. So I can't wait to jump into this yarn. The problem with video is you don't get to feel the squishy of the yarn. And that's my problem with not being able to go in to shop for yarn right now, because the best part is touching and squishing it. So you just can't appreciate it through either the computer screen or TV screen or wherever you're seeing this stuff. So for me, it's always about how it feels. So that's it for today. I just wanted to do a quick video with that. Again, the 10% off discount coupon will be in the show notes here. If you are not a subscriber, please click that subscribe button. I am continually working on getting more and better quality content on here. I have a list of videos I'll be working on the next few weeks. And I don't even know if I told you who I was at the beginning of this video, but I'm Renee. I am the owner of Tailspin Farm. We have a very small farm now. I raise Angora rabbits for their fiber, and I spin them into yarn and make product or sell the yarn or fiber to different places. So that's what I do. I'm also a crocheter and knitter, sometimes a dyer, it depends on my mood, and I just like to create things. So I hope you have enjoyed this video today, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your week. Take care, everybody. Bye.